Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. So today, let's make easy and healthy banana mandos or steamed banana cake. Banana mandos is nothing but a snack. It's a steamed cake enjoyed by Goans as a tea time snack. It's very simple and quick. Let's have a look at the ingredients. We will be needing 1 cup parboiled rice, half cup freshly grated coconut, 2 large bananas or 3 small bananas, palm jaggery around 3/4 cup, nuts of your own choice to garnish, 4 green cardamom pods and nutmeg. I have soaked 1 cup parboiled rice for 5 hours. You can even soak it overnight. Let's transfer this soaked rice to the mixer grinder, roughly making pieces of 2 large bananas, 3/4 cup palm jaggery. You can even use palm and cane jaggery in equal proportions, or just use cane jaggery if you do not have palm jaggery. Half cup freshly grated coconut, some salt and some water. Now do not add a lot of water at this stage since jaggery will also release water. If needed, we can add later. Let's grind all this coarsely. Remember to keep it coarse and not make it too fine. Look at this. This is the consistency we are looking for. I'll transfer this into a bowl. I have peeled 4 green cardamom pods and going to pound it into fine powder. I'll add this to the batter now. I'm also going to grate a pinch size of nutmeg. Cardamom and nutmeg give a nice flavor to the banana cake. Garnish with 2 tablespoons of whatever nuts you have, and I'm also adding 2 teaspoons of pure ghee. You can skip ghee if you wish to. Mix all this really nicely and keep it aside. I'm using a 6 by 6 inches cake tin, greasing it nicely with ghee. You can even use butter if you want to. You don't have to compulsorily use a cake tin for this cake. You can use any kind of a vessel like tope if you have in your kitchen and grease it nicely. I'll transfer our cake batter to this cake tin now. Tap it nicely to get rid of any air bubbles, and you can decorate it with whatever nuts you have or just leave it plain. Now, I've kept some water to boil and placed a stand like this inside. I'll slowly place this cake tin on top of the stand, cover it with a lid, also cover the outside vessel, and let this cake steam cook on a low flame for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Now, the cooking time may vary depending on the quantity of ingredients used and thickness of the vessel used for the cake. It's been an hour. Let's check the cake. I had checked once after 45 minutes. I felt it little raw in the center, hence steamed it for another 15 minutes. You could see the toothpick has come out clean, means our cake is fully cooked. I'll let it cool down completely, and once it comes to a room temperature, just run a knife at the edges and it will easily demold. Cut into the shapes of your choice and enjoy with a hot cup of tea. So this was our today's recipe. Do give this video a thumbs up if you like this recipe, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in my next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.